So this person is going viral. Why, you may ask? Well, she this with Ackee and Saltfish.
What in God's fucking name is that, Antonio? Oh, God. And it's not... I just gagged on the internet.
If you don't know, Ackee and Saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. Now, nothing is wrong if you don't like Ackee and Saltfish. I know a lot of Jamaicans who don't like Ackee and Saltfish. You see, where the problem really lies is, how am I gonna put this? You see, if you say the food is disgusting, no problem with that. If you say the food make you walk gag, no problem with that. But you see, when you say that while not being a Jamaican, that's the problem, right? Now, many Jamaicans seeing that video went to social media to voice their opinions. Hey, girl, go suck your... suck your